In this video, we're gonna take a look at Wix Studio, Squarespace, and Framer to see which one is the best. So as you can see here, we have Framer. So I'm gonna start with Framer. Now, Framer is most used to create the mockups, to create the design of the website. And as you can see, it starts at $5 per month if you go with the yearly plan. If not, it's gonna start at $10 per month, which will give you 2 pages, 10 gigabytes of bandwidth, and a custom domain. Now, if we go to Wix Studio, we have the basic one, which will give you the same media storage, 3 sites, and a free domain for 1 year. Then we have Squarespace, which starts at 15 euros, which won't give you a custom domain, but overall you can create as many websites as you like. So this is an advantage. I personally use Wix because they have more features and it's more popular, so it's easier to find the documentation online. So if I have to choose between these three, I'll go with Wix based on price and features. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.